Welcome, my beautiful, fragile humans. I just want to do a quick video for starting this semester. It is the first time since March of 2020 since I am teaching in person. So happy, so excited, even a little bit nervous, but very excited. So I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Vera Quijano. I've been teaching here at Cañada College since 1999. You could call me Vera or call me Professor Quijano, whichever you prefer. I am here to provide a very safe and nurturing environment for you, somewhere where you could develop your self-awareness and become self-empowered through yoga. Yoga being union of body, mind, and soul. We will be developing our strength, flexibility, and balance in our bodies, in our minds, and in our lives, hopefully. My teaching philosophy, in a nutshell, it's really this long page of stuff, but excel in teaching and inspire learning, and that is what I intend to do. I'm very science-based in my teaching. I'll provide scientific research, not opinion, and most of what I teach you will be based on the 11 body systems that you will learn about in a typical college anatomy and physiology class. Be sure to read the syllabus. The syllabus is our commitment, is a contract. That's the way I see it. It's my commitment to myself and to you, and by your signing up, registering for my class, that's your commitment to me as well. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I've given lots of options for communicating with me. I prefer that you just call my cell phone, which is what I'm using to tape this video right now. You could literally call me anytime you want. Text me anytime you want. Text is better, and just say, hey, if you want to talk, then say what time you want to talk and we'll arrange it. My phone is off when I'm sleeping, so literally call anytime. I am very accessible. So also check the office hours. It's the first time I have in-person office hours, which I'm going to hold on the rooftop as well, weather pending. All of that information is on the syllabus. I'm starting class tomorrow. Today is Martin Luther King Day. Happy day, everyone. And tomorrow, January 18th, Tuesday, from 9:45 to 11, that is the time of the class. You are welcome to come to class if you want an ad code, if you haven't yet added the class. Check for the office hours. My office hours on Tuesdays are the hour before class, and on Thursdays is the hour after class. You're welcome to come anytime. I intend to hold those office hours on the rooftop because usually I need to show you something. My office is kind of small. We don't have space. Or you might have a question about a posture, so it just makes sense as a better space. Options, online students, the participation points are participation. So if you're missing assignments, you're welcome to make up participation points on the rooftop during office hours or during class time. So that is an option. I'm trying to give as many options as possible. And at the last minute, we do have our mats and all of our equipment from March 2020 that's been sitting there pre-COVID. And if you do not have the required supplies, namely yoga mats, those Mexican blankets, those beautiful blankets that are fold in their dent, you could fold in their dent and we can use them for all kinds of things. And the yoga blocks, you are welcome to get a loan on those for the semester. Just text me, let me know. And I think that's it. And I'm really thinking about doing a yoga flash mob. So if you're interested in that, text me or email me and tell me about that, because I plan to do that. I think that was something that I was in the midst of doing. So I think that's it. I'm going to do my best to respect culture and embrace diversity and freedom to choose and pace yourself as you wish, so you get through this class without fear. Reach out to me. Much love and light. Happy 16 weeks. We got this, people. Good luck. Thank you.